Welcome back. Our next few minutes are dedicated to food, good food and extraordinary food. After all, who doesn't love trying delicious recipes with easy to follow tips and the joy of creating mouth-watering meals at home? I certainly do, and if you do too, then join us to make cooking on the weekend a breeze.
Hello viewers, how have you been? I hope you're trying out the recipes that I bring it to you week after weeks. If yes, do let us know on our socials. Today's recipe is very special. It is from a friend who is from Mexico and he travels to India with me. And then we were discussing about Indian street food. There is a very popular Indian street food, we call it samosa. In Middle East we call it sambusak. It's a fried pastry filled with potato filling and relished by various chutneys. So today's inspiration is from Mexico and it's gonna be an Indian avatar. Today I'm going to present you a dish which is known as Samosa Tostadas. It's an open face crispy taco with Mexican flavors and we got a samosa topping with some chutneys. So let's check out the ingredients. We'll start with boiled potato. We have fresh tortilla, chickpeas, green peas, chopped ginger, chopped green chilies, tamarind chutney, mint and coriander chutney, amchur powder, dry mango powder, cumin seeds, red chili powder, garam masala, coriander powder. For the green we have fresh coriander leaves, iceberg lettuce and sunflower oil. So we'll start with our tortilla bread. We are going to toast them, we are going to make them into tostadas. So without using any oil, let's put it on the hot non-stick pan. About a minute on each side. And then flip them. 30 seconds and they are ready. They've got a nice color. And you take them out on the plate. And keep it on the side. Let the pan be heated. We'll start with potato. Chop them into cube size. So I've taken one boiled potato. Now we'll start cooking. 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Let it reheat. 1 teaspoon of cumin. Green chili. 1 teaspoon. Ginger, 2 teaspoons and let it saute. We'll take the spices, red chili powder, half a teaspoon, garam masala, half teaspoon, coriander powder, 1 full teaspoon, mix it. Time to put your potatoes in. While potato cook with the spices, we are going to add chickpeas. These are boiled. So around 2 tablespoons green peas, salt, dry mango powder, half a teaspoon. This is for the tanginess. Tamarind chutney, 1 teaspoon. So chickpeas, potato, green peas, they have come out so together beautifully. Almost done. For the freshness, coriander. Now we will bring back our tostadas, mint and coriander chutney, apply gently over it. We will take our plate So now we will take our potato, chickpeas and peas mixture and place it over tostadas. For the final garnish, we're gonna add some iceberg lettuce, almost like a noodle, and garnish it over tostadas. So your crispy, hot and spicy samosa tostadas are ready. Now it's time to pair up with a drink. So let's get started. With the crispy tostadas, we need a drink to gulp on. Today I'm going to show you a refreshing take on classic lemonade, where sweetness comes from condensed milk, tanginess comes from fresh lemon, and I call it creamy lemonade. So let's check out the ingredients. We have fresh lemon, ice cubes, condensed milk, and chilled water. So we'll begin with lemon. So we thinly slice it for garnish. I've taken about 2. Rest we'll use it for our drink. So we cut them into 4. Remove the seeds. We'll take a lemon squeezer. We'll squeeze the lemon inside. So I've taken about 1 full lemon, condensed milk, 1 tablespoon for the sweetness, ice cubes, about 2 pieces, chilled water, about 1 cup, and we are going to blend it. So this drink is right here. Since it's summertime and if you want something quick, this recipe is amazing. And with just 3 ingredients, your drink is ready to serve. So I'm gonna use lemon slice for my garnishes. Gonna add some ice. So your creamy lemonade is ready. So if you're looking for quick fix for your tummy right after work, this recipe is perfect for you. Not just for you and your kids, your family, for everyone at home. It has got lovely textures. If we talk about tostadas, it has got beautiful colors. It is a fusion of Mexican and Indian food. We have got crispy tostadas with samosa topping on top, dollop of chutneys. On the left, we have got a nice creamy lemonade. The creamy version comes from the creamy color. We have got condensed milk in the recipe. So it's a summer fix for you. Do try out this recipe and let us know on the social. I hope you enjoyed today's dish. We'll see you next week with another exciting recipe. Till then, take care. See you.